Yeah, yeah. Makasio. Anye Kainara.
Tizzle, keep me going.
It's unfortunate, Kama Papa, Kanye boy. My no room the vibes, Katemito. He's just a boy. When I was a small boy, teenager, he's just a boy. But Osuakman or up Machami, I like the boy. 69 fans, them to your head, protect the boy. The Patuna Tag Banzapa Yina, and help the boy. With the Kishia Kat and Shanganam to cannot take the boy. Don't you found map, I'm London, mean I say I want the boy. Like I'm Sura Mutera, Makap, now bless the boy. Umi, I know my filo pump, but them though she likes the boy. O Katale, Katik. My massa, you can't hit the boy. The mean yellow, na mean too matal. Oh, forgive the boy. Obo you me pilim balama ah. He's just a boy. Can drop a hit, upon hit. Ladies ma like the boy. I call him Maka Kobo Porando. Text the boy. In Pamba Pune, industry place my fam. Hit the boy. I'm a little chandema. I'm bound and I won't love the boy. And young Ayuba Payan Asara Domino to Allah boy. Katazama Jiru.
Most definitely den ye shambalama na manya la nimvo songun pana salamia ma higwe kaso yan yala tenji ya sa shalom den de nan ka nya nimvo songun be ka muza sa ka watch ate kaso yan bounce and we are of course at the Muhammad Sports Stadium and it's all about the Throne concert yan nanam concert in yala Allah kana tele this particular program den yala den yiruko anye program ga handle the yiruko kache program nam za sana ngbayine there are a whole lot of program na makara nyebe yara shanga den na yalla ali Mama Sports Stadium and this particular Throne concert den yala program shall den yiruko nko the zotenji sa sharango nta tinyala ni mvosa bambe ali Mama Sports Stadium mbalama and looking at the time few minutes to agba mbalama and then everywhere is super packed kaso yambasa den de nan ka kwa graces and kana te kwa yalla VIP kaso yambasa na crowd manjala ni mvosa bankana massively ka yi samba na pressure share them there my brother you know go feel we stand that crowd then ye shamza sambalama you don't pabo ni swale Al Hassan the tunambasa and then again you are watching us live on Hype TV. It's all about Makasio Throne concert ngala ne vosha bayankana ntizan live interactions anta akadi amfana sheldon berepune fanbase pamyala ne vosha banyitan kwanse kamana sandu nyene vosha bankana program ma pune tanvuba intiana yalla inside the camera kabati fila nzantiya wula nyebe impressions for about a year or two kubalama ngala ne vosha bambonje yalla this particular kind of concert ma in the northern music industry. It is back and guess what? It is Sharif Abdelmajid Makasio, the rapper Jack, the rapper Bulldozer, most definitely the rapper Sana Musa. Rappers Bokuntung Kulunku, winning in for so winjite in Piahana. So keep watching. I'm Swale Al Hassan, Tingala and Vosha Bayans and Kamtasa, dinner tonight at the Anfana and Zantana on Hype TV. Keep watching with the cam, Tingala and Vosha Bankan.
Keep watching Hype TV.
Hype TV. Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Make sense.
It's us and doubly.
I salute.
Respect.
Kaulamba.
This is what I feel.
Naba you know.
Mommy, be shaka.
But no matter how you know.
Mommy, think serious.
That's right. Mbambe te kanati nyanya final Throne concert you are very upam and final zongo yongo enyale and it's about 2 years on kobala concert bana tamale then labna ma den nka concert labna wula ka feel
ya mali show ma de chanya because tin the board no sham sama and dey disturb but alhamdulillah don ko chansha ma ta paya because ayunda tire pam got the trainer Karakuno successful. So to paya.
Sama and then you social day and this time. So la particular Sama, them nanka Sama love bangman, the pleasures are everywhere. Wula and then you thinking, especially on the drop mark at the Mariaka Sahacha.
Frankly speaking, is Endoku here pam. Man, I don't hide my feelings. Now the Endoku here pam. Ndoku call her Nirwakabia man no kumal hope. So hope. So alhamdulillah to paya.
That's fine. There are so many young talented artists. Kabanyani Mvosa Bayan performing in the mix of the big stars. Bazaza Pune, Mwanka Lehetura, who can you never wait to climb this particular stage?
Wow. Buzoya Yamal Buzoya bed. Frankly, you la don't see. Kayundi, they better them or what's the name? That guy, Lil Black, yeah, the guy is doing good. Yeah, so a lot. Mommy pressure. Show my side, so to take it. But Nirbo Kubjan can look up to them, yeah.
Okay,
thank
you so much.
I'm very grateful.
Keep watching Hype TV.
Hype TV. Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Please, kindly introduce yourself to our viewers here, who you are and which people or company you are representing.
We are representing from JMD Engineering. We are selling TVS motor. We are selling Newlex motorbikes, Adolfo, Sprint, and Amaya. It's combi. And the promotion is going on that any customer who is bringing the ticket up till 31st August, anybody who is bringing the ticket of the show ticket, they will get 500 city discount.
This is so great. But first of all, what motivated you to give a push or sponsor to this particular program? Makasio. How or when was the first time you hear about Makasio and what was it about?
I am here in Ghana almost 15 years. So I know Makasio very well.
That's fine. Coming into the sports stadium, it's been about 2 years when we don't have any concert happening in Tamale. Looking at the crowd, are you amazed or you were expecting higher than these particular numbers?
Because of the rain, I was expecting that people will come more, but because of the rain, now people are not that much that we are expecting. Just because of the rain. But let's see, maybe by 2 we will get more than the public what is there.
How many motorbikes are you going to give out free?
Free. At present, we are just promoting. There is no price, but whenever if anybody is bringing, if they show me the ticket, we will give them the discount of 500 cities.
All right, thank you, sir, for your time.
Okay, thank you very much. Remember, we are from JMD Engineering, Newlex, Adolfo, Sprint, Amaya bikes.
We'll surely link up after the program. Thank you.
Thank you.
Keep watching Hype TV.
Hype TV. Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Super.
What's up?
Kaula man.
Listen, bien.
Tron concert. En ta yen stand for zan Karle Nerba. Amba de nyala ban social den you pam. With about 40 to 50 60 days promotion. Ka take na ka crowd ma benwo. Ana impressed.
Well, I would say I'm impressed because Sama, there is a expectation that Makasio no pay show man is as an ambulance be next week. But trust me, with the help of 69 fans man, Makasio to Mala Vim, 69 fans encourage Makasio that they are with him wherever he goes. So therefore, the show must come on. Only time was like almost like 12:10 Kobalama, and the green seat is almost full. So it tells you that there's more hope for more rooms to come. Yeah.
Dan da nan ka sama me yere expecter mana Makasio cancer show ma. Kama Makasio be cancer program ma. So anda kan na arma feeling that anye crowd pango be dina ko pango. Wait over cancel ka me expecter no cancel.
Well, I doubt because someone the born Makasio, no time Makasio na cancer show man yela. Sama de mira around 7 ma pulma. De mira pam katara kanyasra ni kan lose hope. Actually, me myself, I lose hope. But in Canada Stadium map, I don't lose hope. Because look at my story with guys. They said the show is going to come on. So let's move on. I think this is that she take Makasio WhatsApp handle and pony like website and Mazam. So we am on announce. So nothing your push and oh yeah, nigga man, nirma samoto. Kaso in terms of Sama. Can you look up on chunk? Dole nyere Sama being disturbing. So we should meet at the stadium. Ka hope kana.
Finally, Bangun ka le retura karajia kamana dia nye performer of the now wona ko dilema in advance.
Rastoni. Super.
Don't you think don't you made up?
No. I have Rastoni hope. I believe in Rastoni because I've seen Rastoni do so many things, and Rastoni cannot disappoint. One minute man bas pampe Bilmazo, a new artist named Bilmazo, when trying to do different things. Trust me, Rastoni do stay. Doesn't come down now. Beko time regular. But this time around, the previous man, we don't see or we don't know what he's going to come out with. But trust me, Rastoni is going to be super. They come to Rastoni also.
The pipe I'm governor. Thanks so much.
Keep watching Hype TV.
Hype TV. Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Yeah, man.
Hassan,
Kaulam na.
so
Nabka family.
alhamdulillah.
Ache this about family matter.
Wayo tela shi de ba.
That's fine.
Ko akule nyanga ma gaskiya.
Beautiful. Mbanda ta kana ta nyanta yeno kube sister na pong mana kan yalla kamza sa chen be yalla ba. Makasi ulabna na true concert. Den nan ko ra labna wela la particular idea ma. Ke observe da about 2 years program yalla dambana. Makasi nyene mfoso nto yina wela la particular so ma. Ira mal da usula ki da tahara wela ndanye feelings.
Yeah, since date man ko fixe. Mba doubt the program because mila magaso no ban shaw. Kami sister na France bin to no sham. Kamale tumbe shapelmo. Awta na to nyango because sami me ntimi mba 8 bin shaw. Baluka the program. So we pray to that come dire na garba saban nan dan garango. Understand abo so mba doubt the magaso bi to fans. Is unbelievable man.
Dere nan karpa sanan dana garango. Is that to say samana nan ma da affect the program and samana nere nan da social ma wulande nya afilin ben is sister na fan for makasu.
Yes, Sasha Sana Mirmango, Lata Mangona, frankly speaking, Hale Minister of Antirfilaba, Mandaba Jew, Amalaba, Bakare Miri and Nungme, Kayaba and Nungme, Yerko Damle, Amalabo, Nisama Lambocha, taken on a boshele. Now, when you know, didn't put in a son of so, has Arabian Kuba, Amalaba, when I wouldn't you know, Amara, you sit in Bisham, the BC, the Nunga Temple Shamaza, Amam Macamatalism. So when nagi tuba nyere ki ha ka yot ende la karen no wonyo
So and your crowd man and amazed.
I'm very amazed. I'm very amazed because looking at listen banaganya I'm banagama no that chombe between the 12 to 1 I'm bana program ba de nyela dun kutolen no
Kama cha marsa ke hafale wona nyanya. Ban se pam yam performer. Won ka lehre turo ko ne the best performer of the night including makasu.
wow probably my all time favorite Rastoni Agbara Jemanguna Halabi Zoman Bansa Kamala I'm not coming here one of my best performer my all time performer but I don't doubt it so I'm going to go at the end of the day one of the was Uncle Milliman yes come at the part thank you so much
Keep watching Hype TV.
Hype TV. Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Hey, Borala che. Aka pleasure ngana jagja. Ba de ko pay ko fama ka te premier bete. Bakana mawara shika fa kanyo kumde la pete. Among all competition had even lady. Rapa ba ke kan. Furbaba. Alle ka ulamba.
Ala Fabian
Amo zuma nanya tule anduna this particular kind of crowd apa kozo.
yeah I think this is one of the shows I performed but Zuma can put them fully yeah I can remember
So anduna wula nye feeling ma wula nye fears ma andre nduna.
you know under could bamduma how it go but respond ma the moment DJ ne volley be MC man volley ma the kind of response in a crowd man the way that oh fear shall not malama the kind because fan base ma is actually there they are monitoring they want me there and I came and performed so I think the fear is gone for now because they cheered me up and I'm so excited. Yeah.
Beautiful. Looking at a particular crowd, ma, and China, the animal excited. Are you okay with crowd, ma? That I'm fear, special son and ma.
Okay, ma, yamanguna the cafe because I really show una shekar kubume because the hype and everything on media and then the details come kashoma yina so I think pinyala massive promo. So then to check a crowd shall them be koma kanama so they come a legit sama na renangdema.
Rapa Donzi.
Isasan.
Rapa Donzi.
Hype TV.
Rapa Bancheka. Thank you so much.
Keep watching Hype TV.
Hype TV. Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Hype TV.
What's up?
Cool.
How is
It's fine.
from northeast to northern Ghana? How is the feeling?
Oh, the feeling is good because I feel like I'm making a step.
That's fine.
Yes.
What is giving you that particular motivation and inspiration to keep pushing all the way from northeast?
Okay. I have followers. I have people who look up to me. So because of that, I feel like when I give up, like the road will end for them too because they look up to me and they grow. So I have no choice to give up than work hard to also help them to grow since they look up to me.
This is your first time performing on a crowd like this, especially this particular stadium. I'm facing the crowd. How was the feeling for the first time?
Okay, this is not my first time. I was here for Stone Boy program. I was here for Fancy Gadam Dream album. So this is my third time.
So how is the feeling being the only female artist to be billed among 20 top stars North male artists?
I feel good. I feel like God is doing a lot for me. I feel like I am growing. And so far as I'm working hard on my talents, that motivates them to add me. Yeah, so I feel
Mama Lampa Jale.
Manyala Paveli, Manyala Pasunu, Manyala Paveli, Chene Kashawadamna.
Boza.
Keep watching Hype TV.
Hype TV. Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Alright, bro.
So anya Hype TV liga bara.
Mame Hype TV. Jaje, tunakuwa mbora. Kaula man. Inshallah, lafi bien.
Kale ara punya mana surprise le so kam. Menyale. How did you do it? Wala ka nang nang la.
Enta mame show it kan nang ma. Tunambo make kama music lovers ma I'm proud. Be bambati tila yetu proud. So ya malam ba njene kamana ntima ka tsahe. Wala ka tena nto chia in the room up. So shete shilang ba ko shila min tsembelong ba ka tunu tanongo. Wena shin nongo. Kangu min nongo. So tanongo so na shin nang shele. So la ka ko ba ka karina. Yes.
Beautiful. Tule don nan ka tama pa kuma zo be ka bobola. Ka step into the studio. At step into the field. Ka tama pa ko zo ka wa zo le crowd ma everywhere. Anang impress and that was how was that particular feeling?
Oh no, nene crowd ma. And then yambe, baba manya we the man shamba. So normal ni na shamba. Oh my no, be na shamba high real lose him but the tamam film challenge. Yes, but you know mami yarda ta lango ba. Aba ko to tuna ba ko nan ba shan ya hayle. So no kun yaba ya no yarda na ya hayle kana shi. Yes. Ya je ta ton le. Nta arabo na ma lalle gare. Ya je. Ka so shin dala no samle. Ya je. Ka tan jiya gum da damle. Ya je. Amali ya ka ba zaru goble. Ya je. Abara. Ya je. 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 Alala abara. Ya je. Oh. Masane pa zabele ko zabele ba labaji zabele ne zabele on wana laada te garchi zabele kaza kula no ta pa ba onu liawlo. Oh God, I want more life, give me more life. I'm a pressure, add me some money. Can that year 25 can get more likes yilango de pa beat mbenzane kina te be shake kan pa man ku de polone kama chan ko when I stake ba follow me karana to search for number halame. Hello, is this oh boy? Only your music that give me joy. Please can I come be your boy katazama yilango from north to high.
Keep watching Hype TV.
Hype TV. Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Champion.
Yo, chairman.
I salute.
I take on boss.
How be movement for Boga?
Oh, everything for Boga be fire, you know. Yes, sir. So,
First of all, when you first heard that or when you were contacted that they want to bill you on this particular platform, and then you happen to saw all the bill artists, all are top-notch artists in Northern Ghana. How was your feeling and how did they ginger you to prepare you towards this particular night?
oh, it was a great feeling actually, you know, being built with some of the greatest artists in the north, you know, and even with medical on the same stage. It's nothing but a great feeling. Yeah, so all we have to do is to prepare very well to also come deliver, you know, give the people the best of ourselves, even though it's outside our comfort zone. But you always have to deliver wherever you are as an artist, and that's why we just did that.
What was the most difficult part in coming to entertain fan base who are not used to you out of your comfort zone?
Yeah, for difficulties, it's normal as an artist. You can't always get it that easy. Yeah, you don't have to be threatened by any situation.
I saw that particular film and energy from.
It's from the streets. You know, when you go down to Boga, where I come from, and you say you number one, everybody knows what number one can do and the fire number one has. It's rather unfortunate here. Excuse me to say my songs are not so popular. Yeah, and very soon we are working very hard to also give Tamale or the northern region a little bit of what we have, you know. Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah.
I heard most of the crowd, they were cheering to your songs, and then just because of your energy, not because of the song being popular here. How is that particular feeling out of your comfort zone? Everybody is cheering to your performance.
It's a great feeling, and I can proudly say Tamale has welcomed me home. You know, it is home. You know, seeing them cheer, even though some they don't even know the songs.
Yeah, it's a great feeling, and I really appreciate it. Shout outs to the people of Tamale. Shout outs to my nigga Blue Beast and Fadlan. You know, I want to tell the people of Tamale I have a song with Fadlan coming out soon. So you should expect something from number one featuring Fadlan.
Charlie, you be killer performer.
Charlie, thanks.
Keep on keeping on.
I be, you know.
Boza.
Keep watching Hype TV.
Hype TV. Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Sabiana say nuti. Nanya free bread. Free bread. Gaskiya.
Yo, Maria.
Charlie, it's been a while.
Maria, tu
Kuna kana fans masha mazo mkacha ba.
Maria, da ku zan solo tin kana ye mara bora laare. So tin kana no fe. Ya bu du wala tin kana.
No one that's no samyala. Tin shi asa shoro de yuya pamka atana industry ma pona. Yes to lala energy shelter da ku mi gaskiya ma. Dan na ku fahar ma me wa ha be jira ma karba chana. Ya anjar motivation ne energy ma.
Ya anta energy ma kunya ko ala ni ta tin crowd ko population ko. Nan la happy so shen ko feeling. Ya do ku je shambala. Yeah man. Yeah.
That's fine. Gaskiya bread. Tell us something about it.
Anta gaskiya bread. Du kunya anta mama bread mbala gaskiya bread. Kan you won ngone tunda tunan partnership tunan business kale ado ku boti abawo tunan man ku bayo kati mya kati jifura yeah man
Your energy was mad. Very. Thanks so much.
Keep watching Hype TV.
Hype TV. Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Yakini.
Hai,
Kauramba.
I see.
Nta hada pu yelta nusungo na wala wa enche namba wala kanye krama wala kara changa dwa ta ko.
Oi, chayo yari chau. You are very chawali.
Aba. Mbanda tinyanya you know dan nan ka dwa ta kuma so kamza sa gumna ne batan ma ga video na. Dadda nan ka soroto wure yaki ni burlamla. Wala ka yaki fila.
Oi, a big up. A big up.
That's fine. So tensha sa you know betal garapa. Ami wala ka tiyanzi ma anta mashallah anta haiti bresha.
Ani tuwa.
Ala ka tete.
Mana bao.
Ana baba. Ora mbona tepata wa cha tanyanya cha bu ne tebu titama.
Keep watching Hype TV.
Hype TV. Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Tamale rappers bichaka.
Yaman tamale his himyeka ku number rap kan yansa ya zaka.
Bless. Yes, so best. What's up?
Ala fe ben.
A glass man boalam.
Anyala $1 million mbala.
Kaura mbala.
Mami I want star una bishaka mndele du.
I love your drip. I love your drip. Ayirapa.
Kan to abe.
Yes, Swahma. Answer back. You are done with rehearsals. Asala la particular rehearsals ma. Adubna ma disaster you are energy ma. The nyala ban social de yebiane. Bolele inspire. Bolele motivate. Kato build la particular energy ma.
Okay, first of all, no question like kaza shout out to Kim Makasiu. Nta kana tele this particular show ma una nyama social nena jinya. You see, this is my first time ka Sokumal show park more. Ka Bilman on the Kakube artist by performer artist on Bilman Pude. So I have to do something different. You understand? Just to prove myself that I should deserve an be artist by performer on Billy Shabma Pude. So Zoka Yaka Shaka Malayan the Tama and the Mitimuku Balmarana Malagat coins on the Zampa.
It's been a while that you have pump cutting a concert happening at the Mama Sports Stadium. Then Nankala a particular concert mama bounce back. The bounce back maka side tombo no distract show ma. Wulandinye a feeling na crowd ma anyabana amaze the para expectation.
Wow, the Yaman expected lesson because on the team tablet I believe in the command so on the one when you listen so you melting than my son to Katina to Tama because now I'm going to mini show mashup. The no to show them like 700 on the bow because I look better at Wapune because what that's so much history. They never history, historical nights of so the because Sama about it and some American attendance my massive together. The show us last show us straight.
Amala rapper.
Bichaka.
Keep watching Hype TV.
Hype TV. Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Super.
Yeah, big man.
What's up?
Everything fine.
Shall I see say you pull this super? Waiting be the motivation that made you to promote it that so.
As you say, my senior man Makasio, you understand. You give me plenty support. So as you say, I don't get anywhere to pay and back. As you say, no, this is the right time. And for you, then also show some kind of appreciation. You understand? Yeah.
How does it feel climbing the stage with this particular crowd?
I think it's a plus to my career. You understand? This a big show is a one of a kind, and it's a pleasure passing through. You understand? It's not easy mountain a show like this.
How will you describe the pressure in performing out of your comfort zone?
I think it's not easy like performing outside my zone, you understand? Where you are not used to, you need some kind of zone and some kind of motive here. So,
what is your motivation and inspiration with the kind of energy you brought on stage?
Since if I should work hard, I'll get to this stage, and I'm hoping and praying that one day I also get to this stage, you understand? We are big up my senior man, Makasu.
Tell you kill him.
Thanks.
Keep pushing.
Yo.
We need to support. Those are.
Keep watching Hype TV.
Hype TV. Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Hype TV.
The brothers. Yeah, I salute. Thank you. Now I'm Ayina Pam, you know, Kalu Kirkiti. Thank you. I'm a teacher, actually, because you are just about to climb on stage.
Oh yeah, I mean, like you said, the energy is high. I mean, we're going to tell them, I can never to stay back. I'm seeing that people also means that there's going to be power. So I'm going there with power.
Does it amaze you, Antiana, and Tetonia Krama, despite the fact that Sana is out?
Oh no, I mean, I expected this. It was a sold out concert even before getting here. The advert went on well, and no surprise. I'm very much impressed. Very much impressed.
Chata Zwa Hankal Belazanka entertainment industry Mapune. It's about 1.5 years to your concert. And now concert is about with this particular Hilton Kenya. Do you think the Lapsala concert is now with that particular power, or this is just a nature kind of thing?
Oh no, I mean, yes, we never miss the show. The fire, so TNT going forward, then cutting it to Zampam Kalasobo. So I mean, we never miss the show, being in Mapumbana, but already Makaso show in term. So now something cutting ya, Catalan Bankama, no, the Lapsinian, the Lapsinian. But in the meantime, we never miss the show. So Trento Kuyaba miss the show, Trento Kuyala no miss the show.
All right, I think to Zakul Beke, how do you say that panel?
Thank you very much.
Thanks so much.
Keep watching Hype TV.
Hype TV. Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Super.
Yeah, man.
What's up?
Good things, so big.
Chale, your entrance, what motivated you? Why inspired it?
That's how we just pull up all the time. That's how we pull up. So it's nothing extraordinary. We just do. That's how we are. Yeah, man. Not to get entertainment.
That's fine. I'm a social kamza sakala la particular shishi ngoma ko tudurna akpa kuzo. Fans manjala ni mfosha bamal destin of love. Karanya be shishale cheerance ma karanya malla kamane one big artist so across Africa. I understand ebo. La particular cheering up ma wula kara to motivate ka inspire shishi especially beto you are wula ka feel.
Well, even the Limakaman award, this type of love, I mean, be like I cannot show you love, man. The word like a hard work, man. People are appreciating that. So the Mala award, man. So I really respect that, and I also want to say big thanks to everybody supporting Shishi family, yeah, man.
Bolele motivate rasa hashala kamza saka energy ma hata kuduna wula nyale an ku pirsha mlala ka yanshi hala perform la wana wa
banku
Chale bega you kila wa.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Keep watching Hype TV.
Hype TV. Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Sana, yep. Salute ya.
Okoya.
Tule ama what's the motivation behind it?
The motivation is I cannot really as an artist when I be arts when I able to at least able to predict all the time. So I take every point in time to try to make so ninya share swahama zungoka iziko kachi so yeah followers ma be ne ma kunye motivation behind don ko job mu ya ko mal sha yara
ta first day shale donc wum kamane ama yinyala ne vosa bambe programme apune e be zang les enfants nga yoko ko le mala kamane ma manso halle nta prendre zo pehgeri show la particular programme ma zo tanji ya sa shale mo dan nan ka sama de kana karanyala kama ye pehgeri programme zo ka sa bakkan na nar ta pehgeri la particular programme sa ye pehgeri show programme ma zo ma wula ndanye file la particular sama ni kana nye crowd despite the fact that sa na yama wula ki file about crowd shapa yina wama
ya ba wongona cha to ku yila studio na kanya zo sa sama no ku do na te so pele but now you ko ngona ade ko to nyere han kwa train so to na also body nyara auto down lubna so that umba yom ka because to mine show ma ya to ani chang shamma endo nyalo dang la nang buka pai seloma nyala bayin yina so the no yasim pam kama despite silent nam that the united because at least command the point yar ma to promote the show ma so in one way or the other ma we are very happy that kama seloma ni to yina shamma because maybe info kan be nearby yina just because of the anon be shama so those who play nyale zanti titanya nearby ma seloma
ni mbona tekana tinyanya sasa kamza sabato ko boy to boys ni de banyala ne mvosa bayan lehria a kiti yina na b bayan lehria me a kiti yina na z bokto ko predetia la particular impression na ma ya polo kito nyala la ideas ma ya polo kito nyala
ma ko ya na we ko because always come to yalla me the something anye artist bit bola artist the something ne kama be shakam ato nonda so the palata art man the something no dynamic the something so kujene kan to boys ne kan ma wo kabiyan nan ka shirka ka ta shirin yalla kamata outfit wama kamata ko bor because so kam de mute yimna local way ma so ga te yina wama so de nye taaba bial ba
ko kuna men dole na ka ti ye ga den ma
okay wo ya wala ja
that's fine mbona tinyanya akara tele sasa kamza sa energy ma bian me to aboy no ku duna minute one baby face on don duna ne energy chale ha be jamla wana wo de 2 hours la energy ma ka bian za halenta na ka shi ya polo ki nyar motivation inspiration kara to tari ala la particular pa ko zo yama
o mara kan po yalma ita to boys tan be so be zero shao so now you ko kunyale no tuama because apiga ma na yili yinne nya artist nya the so na me be shaka zan pa art ma polo so first ma za te so ka kana ma so 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 ka ma ti ka ba gum nya sun ka kule so la biane so sa zare ka to bere ne be ka so kuzan ka ta kan ba ka to kana so den ma ko pasa daga to don la
yeki la pam te pa pam thank you so much thank you so much
Keep watching Hype TV.
Hype TV. Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Hype TV. Wizi, yes sir, Mr. Hassan.
Ta bia kama bela Hype TV wala.
No, me uncle no be mjela wa reception na be mjela so.
That's right. Yeah, you know bia kulo kamza sa temina interactora and then once initially no notice that to observe nyama kamana which are you could do now energy madam number 1 always and then we will keep asking you because you keep amazing everybody and you keep impressing the fan base bole motivated which are to do now pa ko so
first of all don't go one the whole northern region zang baga ban kurama halana pumfo the artist kabna obile kama wish understand so anytime come out and the fans wanted to see me you get that thing so this is the reason why anytime I'm not could do stage on the stress from ankara tele inka dances but awala mamu ko awala
Wizi, chat nyanya concerts are back. What is your feeling and then I'm connecting your crowd man anang amazed, anang impressed.
Yeah, it so let us say tukula rujumama and it's going to be very you know understand tinya bank and bounce back after Makasi more are coming you understand I think for long but anyala when you hold this na 30th so the question is to come out to support the movement so to continue seriously because the one and other music chance was yeah
ma ayo
mama next time attention so you just have to expect more from us
Boza you killer